Assalamu alaikum, ASCS students. We would like to thank you all for your persistence and your hard work and all the efforts that you've been putting since the beginning of our online adventure at ASCS. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to get access on Microsoft Teams. As mentioned in the email activation tutorial ahead of time, you need first to sign in to your school email in order to access Microsoft Teams. So once you sign in and activate your email, this is the Outlook page that you're going to be viewing at the beginning. There are two different ways in order to be working on Microsoft Teams. From your Outlook page, you need to go to the top left corner from the app launcher and choose Teams. This is the first way where you can work on Microsoft Teams from a web browser. Now, if you would like to use the other way, which is actually downloading Microsoft Teams as an application on your desktop, you can easily go here and download the desktop app. Once it's downloaded to your desktop or to your laptop, you can sign in, of course, using your school email and password, and you'll be on accessing your Microsoft Teams account. All right. As you can see here, we have some tools in this bar, and from Teams, you will find out that you are already enrolled in your class. So let's suppose that you are a student in 8GC. You're going to find that you're already enrolled, and all what you need to do is to enter your class. As you can see here, this is the general post of your class or the general page of your class. In posts, you can see all the posts that your teacher is posting, and you can also have some communication with your teachers and with your classmates. And this same page also, you're going to find out whenever your teachers are going to send you a request to join the live session as per the schedule or the subject schedule and timings that is going to be shared with you, inshallah. So make sure that you are available on time, and in case that you are late, please send your teacher a message using this chat box asking her to send you a new request to join the class. Once the teacher sends you the request, you're going to find out that there is a notification and you just need to join your class. All right, in files, you're going to be able to find all the uploaded material and resources for all your subjects. You're going to use these resources and materials, of course, to guide you through your learning. In assignments, you're going to be able to view all the published assignments by your teachers, and of course, you're going to be able to turn in your assignments later on. From the calendar, you can view all the due dates for all the assignments set by your teachers. Thank you very much. I hope that this was beneficial. Stay home, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.